What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I just got the news. I'm kind of driving right now, so it's a little bit of an issue to go through the actual news, and maybe I'll go through an article later, go through a little bit more detail. But I just got the news. I saw that XRP was running quite a bit. I don't know if it ran up to 65 cents again or wherever it ran, but it started to come back a little bit from what I saw because I can only look at it briefly. But apparently, Ripple Labs has been ordered to pay $125 million in a fine. Now, some people might say that this is just not good for Ripple. It's not good for Ripple. It's not good for XRP. I don't know if this is going to be tight. Give me a second. Okay, there we go. Shoot. I'm all over the place. I apologize. But yeah, some people say that this is not a good thing for Ripple. It's not a good thing for XRP. But honestly, I think it's a great thing. And I think Brad Garlinghouse has come out and said that it is a win in his book because of where they were. You know, they were ordered to pay. At first, the whole battle was basically on a $700 million lawsuit. 700 plus million. I think it was like 770 or something. But then you get into the extended level where Ripple is like, we shouldn't have to pay that much. We don't believe that we should have to pay that much. And they go through all of these different hoops and go through 4 years, 4 years. And then you have a win in XRP getting labeled as not a security. You have a win in Brad Garlinghouse and the chairman getting the charges dropped. Just so many things that are nothing but positive for XRP and Ripple. And they decide to come out and say, you know what, we actually think that we should get $2 billion. It's like, where do you have grounds to say that now it should be $2 billion based off of what evidence when you were close to a resolution? You know what I mean? So the point is that this is a win. It's a huge win. Now, I guess before we get into more of a discussion, I would hope that you guys can hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you want to check out the link for Margex down below, if you wanted to leverage trade XRP, honestly, if you were leverage trading XRP, you probably made a boatload just in this day alone, as it has moved quite a bit. But feel free to check out my link for Margex at the top of the description if you guys want to. But yeah, right now I'm off to get some crumble cookies and see what they got there. I heard they had some like chocolate cake or something, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out. Subtle plug for crumble, even though I'm not sponsored. But either way, this is huge news because I just put out a video maybe at like 6 o'clock talking about how XRP, once you see the conclusion, once you see the true conclusion and clarity within this case, that you'll see XRP fly. XRP definitely flew, but we still are holding to the rest of the market, because the rest of the market is still kind of pulling back a little bit from the overall pump that they did see. But this is absolutely huge. I'm absolutely pumped, and I want to go live, but I don't believe we have the time to go live. I want to spend some time with Erica, since I don't really get to spend a crazy amount of time during the week with her besides at night. So I'll try and upload this somewhere around maybe 9 o'clock if I get back in time. But I don't think I'm going to go live today. I wish I could. But yeah, we got some things we gotta watch and all that. But yeah, back to the information. I don't know if there's any other detail to the case, and whether you have like an addendum, whether you have some clarity on what's being done with the escrow, because that would be amazing. If you don't, and you just have clarity on what's the security, what's not, and what laws they violated, then yes, I mean, you have that clarity for anything that comes after it. But it doesn't necessarily give you 100% full clarity for cryptocurrency overall. But this is absolutely huge, and it opens the door for Ripple to now have more and more partnerships, for XRP to have its ETF, for the connections and the banks to come in, and for them to implement their payment system in so many different places. It honestly is a huge win, and they said that they would respect that Ripple would respect the 125 million, even though it may seem like a lot to some people. It doesn't seem like a lot to me, and it doesn't seem like a lot to them compared to what they were looking for. And overall, what happened with the case, I'm sure the reason why it's 125 million is because the SEC probably put up a total of 125 million in fees, legal fees, and all the things there. So it was basically just to cover their costs. That's basically it. And maybe they put up 100 million and 25 million will go towards just, wherever it's going towards. I don't know. But the point is, it's a win because it's a conclusion to this case. A long, hard-fought battle for Ripple to end up on top. I'll take that any day of the week. Absolutely any day of the week. So what's next for Ripple? What's next for XRP? I can say with certainty that Ripple is definitely going to be looking for a lot more partnerships, a lot more bank partnerships. The XRP community definitely has a lot of clarity. I understand I don't have 100% all of the information to the ruling. I don't have all of the information towards what is going to be next and what will be next, but I can tell you that I'm sorry, there was a cop there, but I'm not sure if this is even okay. But the point is, I think what's next for XRP is just to fully understand where you go from here and how XRP gets implemented in a lot of Ripple's payment options and payment systems. I'm really distracted, but I can tell you with certainty that I believe this is huge for XRP. I literally just put out a video talking about how XRP, once we see clarity, once we see full clarity, that this opens up the door for XRP, opens up the door for the ETFs, opens up the door for so many different things for Ripple and for XRP. So again, I'm excited. I can't wait to see, visually see what's next. I honestly haven't even checked my Margex leverage trades for XRP. I haven't checked what the peak point it got to. I haven't checked any of that. I just got the news. Somebody alerted me and I checked out a little bit of an article, just getting the basic information so that I could bring it to you guys. But I do want to bring you a final video letting you guys know what is next and coming for XRP and Ripple. So if you guys could hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos, make sure you do that. Also, if you want to check out the link for Margex down below, feel free to utilize that link where you can trade up to 50x leverage on XRP. You can trade 100x leverage on Bitcoin and BTC and BNB, honestly, as well as Ethereum. But yeah, feel free to check that out. I might have already said Ethereum. Feel free to check that out. The link is in the top of the description. But I'm absolutely hype right now. Hype. I wanted to go live here while I was driving, but it's only like a 10-minute drive. It would be a 10-minute live stream. That makes no sense to go through all of that setup for this. So I'll give you some more information as we get more information. But this is a huge win for Ripple, a huge win for XRP, and congratulations to all the XRP holders. Let's just see this thing absolutely fly now. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.